So you bought yourself a new Corvette, you want to check out that new PDR feature, you get excited, you get in the car, press that button, and it says no storage device detected. What? Basically, you don't have a storage card in there, SD card. So what you need to do is get one. What GM recommends is a Class 10 full-size SD card. Minimum about 16 gigabytes of memory. What we got here today is the SanDisk 64 gigabyte UHS-I card. The 64 gigabytes, you're probably going to get between 4 to 6 hours of recording time. And, you know, I mean, they go up to probably 512, or you can get some good size cards. But for testing purposes, we just got that 64 gigabytes, and we'll see how it goes. So now we're going to install it. The installation is pretty easy. It's actually right in your glove compartment. Open, and that little port's right there where you install the card. Right over here, you take your SD card. Make sure that little notch is on the bottom. Install it this way. So it's right there. Basically, once you get it in, you just push it in. Hear that little click, and you're done. Once the card is installed, this screen will pop up on your PDR. Basically, it will tell you how much time you have remaining in recording, and it gives you all the options to do your recording. I'm not going to go into the details on how to use the PDR. That would be on a different video.